Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily transfer funds or money or Bitcoin, whatever, from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Coinbase Pro and then just click withdraw. Right here I'm going to click Euro or whatever asset you have. I'm going to click Euro. And then I have SEPA transfer here or Coinbase.com, and I'm going to click Coinbase.com. Now I'm going to send money from Coinbase Pro to my Coinbase account, and I'm going to send 25 euro without any fee, without any limit. Click withdraw. Your withdrawal is complete. Your transfer of 25 euro from your default portfolio to your Coinbase.com account has been completed. Now I go to Coinbase.com and I go here to, you see it right here, the bloop portfolio. And you can see clearly that I got this blip here, and that's the 25 euro that I got. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. You can see it right here, transferred funds. And if you enjoyed this video, you can support me, subscribe. I really enjoy creating cryptocurrency tutorials, and goodbye.